The Linux command line is the text interface to your computer, often referred to as the shell, terminal, console, prompt, or various other names. It can give the appearance of being complex and confusing to use. Yet, the ability to copy and paste commands from a website, combined with the power and flexibility the command line offers, means that using it may be essential when trying to follow instructions online, including many on this very website.
What's up everyone? Today, we're going to learn how to use file commands in Ubuntu terminal. So first, we need to open the terminal. To do so, press Windows key and then search for the terminal. If you want to clear this thing, you can use the command clear to clear the terminal screen. The next command is the pwd. This command prints the current working directory. It prints the current directory name with the complete path starting from the root. Press enter. Right now, you can see that we are at the /home/jl. Then, the cd command. It is a command that is used to change directories and navigate into the home. But since we are already at the home directory, entering this command will not change anything. And if we check it, we can see that we are still at the home directory. But if we put a slash after cd, it will navigate us to the root directory. Next, let's see the list of directories. By typing the command ls. So ls is a Linux shell command that shows list directory contents of files and directories. Here are the directories. We have learned how to clear, check the working directory, to change the directory, and also see the list of directories. Now, let's have an example. Directing the directory by one of the directory of the list. Let's say the desktop. So type cd desktop. A friendly reminder to everyone that the terminal is a very case sensitive. So a little typo such as small letter or caps letter will make your command not to execute. Then let's create a file directory by typing mkdir and the name of our directory. So let's say I'm going to name it jl. mkdir simply means to make directory. So we can see that I am making a directory at the desktop, so we are expecting a folder to appear here. So as you can see that a folder has been created. The next, let's create a file through the command touch space and then the name of the file. Let's name the file Glycelle. Again, let's create another. Let's name it greetings. You can also create a file, then write something inside the file using the terminal. Just type in the command cat, then the name of the file. Let's name it birthday, then enter. We can see that the file is created. But we need to type a content inside of it. So let's type happy birthday. We love you. And thank you. If you are done, you can just press Ctrl button plus the D button. To see if that message is inside the file, let's check it by using the command cat, then the name of the file. You can check it inside the file. Cat is short for concatenate. It is one of the most frequently used command in Linux or Unix-like operating system. Cat command allows us to create single or multiple files, view content of files, concatenate files, and redirect output in terminal or files. We can also view what's inside the file with the command more and the name of the file. So, more birthday. Just like cat, you can also view or see what's inside the file. Next is to copy a file from one file to another. Let's copy the file message inside the birthday to greetings using the cp right now. You may not see any changes, but if you check what's inside greetings, you can now see that the contents from birthday is copied inside greeting. The cp command is a command line utility for copying files and directories. It supports moving one or more files or folders with options for taking backups and preserving attributes. Copies of files are independent of the original file, unlike the mv command. The next is the mv command, which can move or rename files using mv. Now let's try to rename the file greetings to words. enter. So now you can see that the file greetings has now been renamed to Word. Now let's move one file to another. Move words to Glycelle. Now you can see that the screen prints that I can't stat the file words. It's because I accidentally typed it with all small caps. So let me fix it. If we check it by the command more, we can see that content of the file words itself has been moved to Glycelle. Then next is the head command. So this command is with the syntax head space name, then space name of the file. Is as the name implies, it prints the top 10 numbers of data of the given inputs. So let's try to create a file, touch number. Also, another file that you can write on, cat even. Let's just type random numbers here and use the head command to see the first 10 lines inside the file. Next is the tail command. It is a command line utility for outputting the last part of the files given to it via standard input. It writes result to standard outputs by default. It returns the last 10 lines of each files that is given. So it is the opposite of the head command. Let's now see their differences by executing this command. First is clear the terminal. Then see the file we created, even. Now let's execute the tail command. So tail even. So we're expecting this last 10 to be printed. So of course, if you learn how to create, I'm going to teach you how to delete a file directory and a file. So we can delete it using, for a file directory, we can delete it using rmdir. Example, I'm going to delete the directory GL. So if we enter it, we can see that the file automatically has been deleted. For the file, we can delete it by using rm, then the name of the file. So, example, I'm going to delete Glycelle. See, it has been deleted. Another feature of this is you can delete multiple files. Example, I'm going to delete birthday, even, and numbers. A number rather. So now we can see that all of them has been deleted. So I think that will be all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.